Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show a simple and effective way to fix touchscreen lag on iOS 26. If your screen feels slow, delayed, or doesn't respond properly, follow this step. First, press and hold the slide button and volume button together. Slide to off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Clear temporary system glitches that often cause touch lag. Make sure your screen is clean and dry. Wipe it gently with a microfiber cloth. If you are using thick screen protector or case, remove it temporarily and test the screen again. Sometimes accessories interfere with touch sensitivity. Now tap on setting, tap on accessibility, tap on motion, turn on reduce motion. This reduces heavy animation and makes your phone feel smoother and more responsive. Go back to settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. If storage is full, delete unused app, old videos, larger file. Low storage can slow down touch response and overall performance. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.